Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Queen Toxicity. Wow, if you are not subscribe, like, comment yet on my channel, please do so. I've got a video down when you press on the link below. This video is about family lifestyles, and about our kids. So I'll be doing more of these. And again, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm going to be having a giveaway soon. Yes, to all my subscribers. Right now, try and let my channel hit 100 subscribers. And when you do so, I've got many giveaways coming for you. So don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much.